Hey, hope you guys doing well. So I just completed a project regarding transcription. So I just created the transcripts and basically those were the reviews or the video reviews, and I just converted them into the in written form. So I just transcribe it and prepare it well, and she really like it. Here you can check out the response. So let me show you how I created. So let's get started. First of all, here you can check out there is a video. In the YouTube video, either you can create from YouTube video, and you can also create from Drive if you have your video in your Drive or Dropbox or anywhere. Yeah, but in Dropbox there is much easy way, because you will find out the same link or for transcription under the Dropbox. But if it is in download form, or if it is in in YouTube or any other platform, in video form, then you can easily transcribe it too. So let me tell you how. So first of all, here you can check out, once you click on more, here you can check out the all the description and go down to it, and here you can check out the button of transcript. The feature, one of the feature of YouTube. So once you click here, you will check out the transcript over there. Yeah, so here you can check out the numbers of along with the written transcripts or the subtitles of the video. So here you can easily check out. Okay, so you can easily copy and paste it anywhere if you wanna paste. So this is so easy, and you can done it within minute. Or in fact, you can also click or here and toggle timestamp. Here you can only get the written form of your transcript. So because ignore the chapters one. This is the title of the chapter, this is not the transcript, and here it is the transcript. Yeah, because I just update the chapters over there. So because this is also one of the feature of YouTube, so that's why you are watching it here. But once you are copying and pasting it into your file, then you will delete this, and you will and the rest of the thing is only the review that left behind, or the transcript or the written form of your video left behind. Okay, and this is only possible if your video has you know words in the form of words, or if it is transcribing in the form of words, and if it is only in music form, and there in the audio is only present in video or music form, then you just unable to find the transcript. Okay, so only this case is possible when once your audio is in, or is in a wording form. Then or then you can easily grab or copy or paste and repurpose your content. So what will I do is, I will copy all the way down, and we'll paste it here. This is the document that I have already been created, but I will create once more for you. So here I have created it. Let me resize it to to make it easy. So now here what you will do is exploring personal. So exploring personal is there. Just cut it down. Embracing. So embracing is there. Cut it down. And then overcoming, and then navigating. Okay. And then overcoming, and then navigating. Okay. So you just cut it down here, and you will find you will get your written review. Okay. Oh, in fact, introduction too. So here you will get the written review of your video, or the testimonial, or your YouTube video or audio, or any sort of video. Okay, and if you wanna also transcribe in number form, then you can simply, what you will do is simply copy and sorry. Okay, I just click it by mistake. So you can simply copy and paste it there, and here you can check out. You will also get the number over there. That is basically the transcript. So it is in transcript form. If you wanna get it in transcript form, you can get it easily by this method, or either if you only require is your written form of a video, then you can get from this method too. Or the second way, if you are not getting your transcript option at the bottom of your video, or if you have any video in another format or anything like that, then there is another option too. So the second option is Tinywow. Okay, and Tinywow is another website that is that transcribe your video very easily within minute two. So here, what you will do is simply copy the URL and paste over there, and paste and just find your video, and here you will set the captcha, and it will start processing. You can see your process will be done within minute. Either this is the YouTube video, or this is the mm, uh, uh, any sort of video. Either you are doing transcription from your YouTube transcript form, or either you are doing from Tinywow. Tinywow is another option. Here you can check out, there is a transcript over there. So you can simply copy and paste, and you will get the format. Here you can check out, I just copy and paste, and this is so simple. That's how I created the transcript within 5 minutes. There was almost five or more videos, and I just created the transcript. So, and here you can also see the results on the review that I got, and you guys can also get the same review if you guys follow the same process. Thank you so much. If you like, please do let me know, or if you like that concept, or yeah, if it is new for you, or if you guys are already using the same method for your transcription or anything else, or if you are using any other tool, you can also tag me. Okay, you can I would love to know about your tools too. So don't forget to comment yours. Okay, thank you.